So today's program is mirror matrix, in which we have to take input in an array and output the mirror of that matrix. So basically you see 0 1 27 26 6 27 and 0 1. So if you place a mirror if you write a matrix and place a mirror, this is what will be shown in that mirror. So basically you have to flip every array. So hi, I'm CJ, welcome to Education Value. Today we have another amazing video on the Java program, so let's do it. This is the code for the mirror matrix. It's just relatively very simple program. So this is the example that we are going to do. So the only thing you have to do in this program is print that array in reverse. Like the rows will be reversed, the columns will be reversed while printing the array, and rows will remain the same. Exactly, that's what you do. So we take input in the array. This is like we're calling the number and taking input in the array using two for loops. Simple. After that we display the inputted array using again two loops and using space and leaving space afterward to create a proper 2D array. After that we have to output, like we can directly output the array for our result. So we output the mirror array using again two for loops, but the second loop in this array is reversed. I mean it is running from the last position to first position. So in this example the length is 3, which is like the column number m, length is 3, so m minus 1, which will be the position like 0 1 2. That's how computer programs take the length. So m minus 2 1, and till greater than equal to 0 it will keep running. After that, when the condition will be void, it will terminate. So we just print the columns in the reverse order, and that's how we produce the mirror matrix. So the code is relatively very simple. We are using objects and calling the methods. So now let's see the output. Enter the length of the array 3, number 9, 89, 67, 12, 13, 2, 65, 78, 11, 29. Okay, so the mirror, as you can see, all the columns are reversed in the reverse order. So if you place a mirror, it will be exact. This is what will be, you can see in the mirror. Since it is of length 3, so the center column is same, otherwise the other two are flipped. So this was the program for mirror matrix. Thank you.